Michael is an American contemporary artist and liberal arts college dropout who is on a self-funded world tour in search of what he calls positive intervention. Unsolicited, Michael shows up where he feels he can do good.
Look at this. You see industrial paint. Like it hurts my hands, literally. So I thought, you know, what is this? What kind of an object is this? And how do I improve it? How do I make positive contribution to an over-industrialized world?
Having always been a sensitive and emotional individual, Michael rejects the preference of technology over handicrafts.
You know, where all we care about is technology and not other people and handicrafts. Handicrafts.
Dubbed the Knitting Factory, Michael's project is about attacking, counteracting today's over-industrialized global society.
I mean, the reason why I called it Knitting Factory is because we have an obsession with industry, you know, and I'll wait. I felt like we needed softness, something that reminded us of our grandmothers, something that you can play with. I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm a fool. It's just so much fun that I feel like we could be having.
Michael prefers to work with his hands. He feels that equipment such as knitting needles are still a reflection of a technological and industrialized society that he rejects. A self-made, self-taught contemporary artist, Michael's medium of choice is wool. He sees it as the perfect counterbalance to an over-industrialized society in love with steel, electricity, glass, and concrete.
Oh, this you crazy mother.